Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're exploring Opus Clips, a true game changer in video editing and one of the best AI tools for turning long-form content into amazing short videos. I'll show you exactly how it works step by step using one of my own 5-minute videos as an example. You will get an inside look at how Opus Clips turns content into polished shorts and the kind of results you can expect. Ready? Let's dive in. Getting started is super simple. All you have to do is sign up, upload your video, and let Opus Clips work its magic. This platform is especially great for talking head videos and even gives you tips on which video styles work best for optimal results. Once your video is uploaded, you will see a range of customization options. You can tweak captions, choose from different template styles, and even set the ideal length for your clips. From my 5-minute video, Opus Clips generated 13 impressive shorts. Now let me show you the first one. E3, the latest in text-to-image technology. You can refine your prompts with ease, whether it's a simple sentence or a detailed paragraph. The clip selection, framing, and captions are spot on. It's hard to believe how much time this tool saves. And here is the cool part. Each clip comes with its own summary, transcript, and even a virality score. Opus Clips also rates the potential of your video based on its hook, flow, engagement, and trending relevance. Plus, if you want to make a few tweaks, you can adjust the captions, add emojis, or fine-tune the visuals to fit your style. So, if you're looking for a smart, time-saving way to turn your long-form content into engaging shorts, Opus Clips is definitely worth a try. The free trial is super generous and the interface couldn't be easier to use. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.